Congratulations on completing this short introductory course. While it does take some time, effort, and practice to understand and implement the iron condor trade, it is a great income strategy that can provide you with a nice stream of additional income. Where most people go wrong is they learn about the trade and how to put the trade on, but they don't practice managing the trade before scaling up in size, and they get stuck with some large losses. Like many skills, comfort and proficiency is the result of practice and proper guidance. In this introductory course, enough information is presented to whet your appetite and get you started sim trading. Many brokers offer sim accounts where you can practice trading without committing your hard-earned capital until you're comfortable and ready to take the next step. Thinkorswim and TradeStation are two brokers that offer sim accounts. I am sure there are many others. Here are the links to find out more about sim trading accounts. After you get started, or if you feel the need to further your education, you can find additional free videos as well as premium courses and coaching at bluechiptraderdevelopment.com. Your participation in this course is truly appreciated. If you have any questions or comments, send them to me, Steve Ligori, at coachscl59@gmail.com. Have a great day.